Alright, got the tent set up. It only took me a month of Sundays to do it, simply because I had the tent poles around the wrong way. Other than that, yeah, fairly simple, straightforward stuff. I've seen it a million times online getting set up, and I thought, yeah, that looks pretty simple. Throw me into the mix and there you go. So this is just the Nature Hike cycling tent. It's a one-person tent. The reason why I picked this one up is, for a start, it's dirt cheap. And also it's got pretty good reviews for being watertight, so which is good. The only downside to this tent was it didn't have any way to secure the side of the fly, and that would just rub up against there, and if there's condensation, then, you know, there you go. And so what a lot of people were suggesting was just grab yourself some clamps or alligator clips just here, a bit of bungee cord, and that will keep it off there. So it's not only there, it's also on the other side as well. So there's only the 2 points that you have to really sort out. There you go. Alligator clamp and a bungee. Yeah, we'll see how we go. There's not much room in there. But as I said, it's only a one person, and that should do me fine if I'm just motorcycle camping. Well, that's camp set up. Go and find some firewood in a minute, and hopefully I can have a fire tonight. There's rain clouds about, and it was sprinkling a little bit earlier, so we'll see how that goes. From there, I'll just put the kettle on, have a cup of tea, and take it from there. Alright, I'll show you what I've got in my cooking kit. So I just keep it in one of these lunch bags. It's insulated, so you can use it as an esky if you need to pick up supplies and stuff. Okay, so I've got a fry pan. It's just a titanium fry pan. Something to eat out of. It's just an expandable plate bowl thing. I use the lid as a chopping board. This thing here is my toasty. Sometimes I'll take it, sometimes I won't. You see in one of my last video, I just made myself a toasty, ham and cheese toasty, whatever it was. So it comes in pretty handy. I don't always take it, but when I do, it's pretty good. If I'm not cooking on any fuel stoves or anything like that, I'll just put this straight over the fire and go real old school. It's also good whack and toast on there as well in the morning. So these are the two. There's my billy, boiling up water, cook whatever I want in that. It's pretty good. This is my fuel stove. Okay, self-explanatory. There's the cooking device itself. For starting the fires, I just carry these out of an old army rat pack. I don't really use it that much. I usually rely on my flint. Okay, so what do we got? We've got a handle, good for picking up stuff around the campfire. I just use this little knife. It was given to me as a gift by a good mate, Will. Thank you, mate. Shout out to Will. For food prep, I just use this folding chef's knife. For bigger jobs, might have to split some wood or something like that, I just use this Gerber strong arm. Cutlery, KFS, knife, fork and spoon, just all slides into there. I mainly use this titanium spoon for pretty much everything, except when I'm eating a steak. And that's pretty much it.